Have you ever been disappointed by the large holes in your amigurumi that are the result of decreasing stitches? Maybe you already tried the tip of downsizing your hook. Today's video is the invisible decrease, and it's the answer to getting rid of those holes in your amigurumi. Instead of going through both loops of the next stitch, we are going to work into just the front loops. So insert your hook into the front loop of the next stitch. Make sure your hook is entering from underneath the loop and coming out the top. Then do the same for the front loop of the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through the front loops you went through. Yarn over and pull through everything. Can you see the difference? The ball on the left was made using normal decreases, and I used the invisible decrease for the ball on the right. Before you go, here are some tips. Before you start the decrease, make sure the loop on your hook is snug. When you go through the front loops of the next stitches, try to keep your hook vertical so you don't stretch out those loops. I like to kind of push or bring the stitches together as I make the decrease, because I think this further reduces the chance of having gaps. I hope you'll try the invisible decrease on your next amigurumi project. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more videos. Thanks for watching.